How to resize video for YouTube Shorts. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily do that. So let's just jump right in. The very first thing you're going to do is import video that you want to resize on your CapCut. And once you have done that, what you can do is simply go ahead and select your video. Now on your video right here, you can just go ahead and import it to your timeline first. As you can see, this is a full-sized video. So if I want to turn it into YouTube short, what I'm going to do is click on this ratio option and choose 9:16. And then once you have chosen this, you can increase its size. So let's just go ahead and go to basic and then scale it up a bit so that it fits on our screen. But if I start playing the video, as you can see, this character right here moves out of the screen. So in order to track this character, what we're going to do is simply go ahead and move our video here at the very first part of it, and then create a short animation. So at the very start, you're going to add a keyframe for this. So let's just click on this transform keyframe, play it, and then once it gets here, once it goes out of the screen, let's just move it like this, and it will automatically create a keyframe again. Do the same thing, keep doing it so that the camera follows this. So like so. And finally, once you are done with the video, then you can just go ahead and stop it like so. Now, if I play this video right here, as you can see, the camera gradually follows this character and it will show you on your YouTube Shorts how it's going to look, and it focuses on the character itself. So that is it for this video, guys. That's how I create a YouTube Short video on CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.